2023 Genesis gv60. Starting at $60.385. Overview. The ambitious Genesis luxury brand is tackling the luxury EV segment with its satisfying and whimsical 2023 gv60 crossover. The gv60 incorporates styling elements found in other Genesis models, but it lacks the brand's large trapezoidal grille that stretches between the dual-element headlamps, substituting a slimmer lower grille across the front bumper. Inside, the gv60's cabin looks decidedly premium, with a large monolithic display screen serving as both gauge cluster and infotainment system and a novel crystal sphere shifter that rotates to reveal itself when the SUV is powered up. At launch, buyers can choose from the 314 HP Advanced or 429 HP Performance trims. Estimated driving range varies from 235 to 248 miles per charge. Rival luxury SUVs such as the Audi Q4 e-tron, the Volvo XC40 Recharge, and the coupe-like C40 Recharge offer similar prestige and driving range, but the gv60's detail-oriented design and amusing flourishes make it an attractive and offbeat alternative. What's new for 2023? The gv60 is a new model for Genesis and the brand's third SUV. It's also the brand's first foray into the electric vehicle marketplace, and it shares its underpinnings with the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and the Kia EV6. Pricing and which one to buy. Advanced. $60,385. Performance. $69,385. While we're tempted by the performance trim, which unlocks a maximum of 483 HP from its two electric motors, the better buy is the advanced trim. While the advanced only makes 314 HP, it also comes with a slightly longer 248-mile driving range and still comes generously equipped with 20-inch wheels, a Bang & Olufsen stereo system, heated and ventilated front seats, and a host of driver assistance features, among many others. EV motor, power, and performance. Although 3 different powertrains will eventually be offered, only the all-wheel drive arrangements with dual motors will be available at the gv60's launch. The advanced model makes a combined 314 HP while the performance trim makes 429 HP, that number can be temporarily increased to 483 horsepower though when the performance model's boost driving mode is engaged. With that driving mode in use, we launched the gv60 performance to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The gv60's road manners are quite refined and its handling is reminiscent of the Porsche Macan. When cruising, the cabin remains whisper quiet but encounter a stretch of winding road, and the gv60 offers enough athleticism to entertain the driver and enough sure-footedness to inspire confidence. Range, charging, and battery life. All versions come with the same 77.4 kWh battery pack, but according to the EPA the all-wheel drive gv60 Advanced will offer up to 248 miles of driving range while the performance model carries an estimate of 235. A base rear-wheel drive powertrain is rumored to join the lineup later with a longer driving range. Hooked up to a DC fast charging station, Genesis says the gv60's battery can be charged from 10 to 80% capacity in just 18 minutes. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route, the gv60 performance provided an observed driving range of 200 miles. Fuel economy and real-world mpge. The most efficient gv60 model right now is the all-wheel drive advanced trim, which is EPA rated for up to 103 mpge city and 86 mpge highway. The performance trim is rated for 97 mpge city and 82 mpge highway. For more information about the gv60's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. As the smallest SUV in the Genesis lineup, the gv60 isn't as spacious as the larger gv70 and gv80 models. However, it offers a unique interior design that's more high-tech in its appearance. Genesis has taken some chances here and integrated some cool motifs and features, including a gear selector that flips upside down when in park and has the appearance of a crystal ball. The gv60 also boasts some novel tech, such as a facial recognition system that allows the owner to unlock and start the vehicle without needing a key. Other biometric tech such as fingerprint readers are also incorporated into the SUV's design. Infotainment and connectivity. All gv60 models come with a large 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen that shares a panel with an identically sized 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both included, although neither works wirelessly. The Genesis infotainment system works well enough and can be controlled via a click wheel on the center console if touching the screen itself is too far of a reach. A Bang & Olufsen stereo system is standard, which is a nice feature that most rivals would charge extra for. Safety and driver assistance features. A full suite of driver assistance features is standard on every gv60 model, including automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. For more information about the gv60's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking, standard lane keeping assist with lane departure warning, standard adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature. Warranty and maintenance coverage. The Genesis brand offers excellent warranty coverage that stretches for far longer than most other premium automakers. The gv60 comes with powertrain coverage for up to 10 years or 100,000 miles and complimentary scheduled maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles. The Jaguar I-Pace offers similar bumper-to-bumper coverage and longer complimentary maintenance, but the powertrain policy is nearly half that of the Genesis's. Limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.